Okay, there you go, one brand new raised bed. This is 6 inches deep. I used a 2x6 as you saw earlier in the video, and what I did was I filled it 2 inches with compost. I put another couple inches of soil in there, and then I put another layer, about an inch or so, of compost on top of that. So you don't want to fill this all the way up. You want to leave a little room because that soil and the compost will settle some. So I always like to keep an inch, well, maybe a couple inches or so from the top of the boards, so that when I'm working in the garden in that bed, it doesn't spill off into my rocks and then I start getting weeds and stuff growing inside my rocks. So that's it. Hey, hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you would, hit that bell for future notifications on my new videos. Share it with your friends, and any comments or questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Thanks for watching again. I'll be back soon with more stuff. Bye bye.